So, in case you see a Nigerian youth complaining or protesting that he has no job, in case you see Nigerian youths protesting over the insecurity or bad governance, before you listen to that youth, remember to watch this type of videos. This is a rehearsal to what will happen in 2027. And as I always say, I say that politicians do not rig elections. No politician has ever rigged the election anywhere. Who does the rigging? The youths. Who carries the ballot box or ballot boxes? The youths. Before the elections, all of them are saints. All of them are innocent. All of them are brave. You meet them at the comment section, they are ready to insult you. They will tell you don't know anything about politics. The only thing they know about politics is this thing. After mechanizing evil, after patronizing it, shielding it and clothing it, they will be the ones to protest. They will be the ones to cry, no job, oh, no job, oh, we no agree, we no agree. Shortly close to any election at all, machineries, all of them will jump out, and this is what they will do. So this is just in Rivers State. I've run for the position of chairmanship before. Last year in my local government in Wahala, local government area of Imo State. You need to see the madness. You need to see how stupid people behave. Materials, electoral materials, we aren't even brought anywhere close to Wahala. And some of the vagabonds or the idiotic politicians who felt that this is what they need, they know how to do best. They came, and some of them in one or two polling units where I suddenly ran into a man who went to State House of Assembly and came back empty-handed. I saw him posed with cameramen, and we are trying to rig election or thereabout just to write results and get some pictorial evidences to perfect his enterprise. The same man today is complaining of bad road in Ngobala. But I met this man, and today he's preaching love because he has found a new party, a new means, and another person is paying him now because the man is about running for governorship. This man is above 60 years. He's an uncle to me. He's my mother's brother. He's my mom's brother. This man, all his life, he has been a politician. Nothing has changed. He has not even changed his own life. And this, you see this kind of people? These are the kind of people they recruit everywhere. They are everywhere. Right now, they will speak like human beings. You see them talk as if they have sense. But wait for them. On the day of the election, this is what you expect from the Nigerian youth. This is what you should expect. This is what they would do. This is what they have been doing. They are the ones to complain. Very soon, some of us were going to stop blaming the politicians because some of our brothers, some of our youths are singing for them. Jayama, Jayama, Jayama. This shenanigans, this madness is what kept the bad roads in our place. And these are also the people that will complain tomorrow. The next thing you see them inside the bushes with AK-47, turning themselves to unknown gunmen, kidnapping people and harassing their own destiny. Yes. So this is just concluded election, the so-called local government elections held in Rivers State. The same thing played out in Imo State, and I laughed over it. These people, they can never conduct anything free and fair elections. And why? Because the youth will support and shield this kind of nonsense. You will keep complaining of no job, no electricity, bad road and all that because you are part of the problem. Continue and see you in 2027. Come back with your materials and come and still play the same thing. All of us will remain here and we'll keep watching. Everybody will enjoy the insecurity, the bad road, and the poor governance. Goodbye.